Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we are installing some new fog lights on my 2007 Toyota 4Runner. Right now I have just some cheap amber fog lights, as you can see right here. Right now we're going to be installing some Lasfit fog lights. They have different modes, amber and I believe LED as well too. So we're going to be installing those and I'll tell you why you should pick Lasfit. But thank you, Lasfit, for sending these out to me, and let's get the install done. Now what helps is getting a bright light right here and turning your wheel left or right, depending on what side you're working on, so you get a better angle while installing them. So here's the box right here. Great packaging, very professional. And inside the box, we got the manual of how to use the lights. We got a ton of cool stickers, and we got the lights right now. And these things, let me just say, these are built very, very well. They're not like these cheap lights that I have on my 4Runner. Like, there's some very good quality, as you can see right here. So we're gonna install these, and I'll show you how to do that. So what you're gonna do is get a 11 millimeter socket, take the screws out of this right here so you can move this back. Then you're gonna get under here, put a flashlight under there so it's illuminated. Then we're gonna be taking this out. All you're just gonna do is twist right, pull out, unplug it, and put the new one in, and I'll show you how to do that. Alrighty, after that's out, what we're gonna do is get this and connect it with this right here. So this right here is to change the lights, basically. What's cool about this connects to the fog light off and on switch. So if you keep turning off and on, it will switch to different lights, which is sweet. The switchback. After that is on, you're gonna press this button. So sometimes it can be stuck on there, or just get some pliers and pull it off. After that is taken off, there is the old one. What we're gonna do is put the new one on right there. Try fastening this somewhere so it doesn't jiggle around, and then twist that on right there. Alrighty, this one is in. Now let's probably tuck that right in there. Honestly, that works. All right, I got the first one installed. You can definitely tell this one is so much brighter, as you can see right here. I can't wait to show you guys the before and after on the road. But that's the first one. And then when you, right here, go turn off and on, it turns it to the LED, which is insane. Look at that. That is freaking sick. All right, I'm gonna put this other one in right here, and we'll see the before and after. So what's weird is this right here, mud flap, is bigger than the other one. So we're gonna have to take these other screws out and pull this all the way out to get into that one right there. So I believe this one is broken on mine, so we're gonna have to do something with it. Alrighty, we got mud flap bent back. Now let's get this one out. As you can see right here, my whole fixture right there is broken off, so it's in there, but I might duct tape it, we'll see. But it's pretty in there, so we're gonna turn that on and see what it looks like. Big shout out to this thing. Thing's a beast. Has a magnet right there, it is fixed right there. It's 1,000 lumens. And it's so durable. Guys, check this out. Link down in the description. All right, so it's not too dark out right now. With lights, fog lights, and then amber lights. This is not even daytime, and it's so bright. Here is the video at night. There's the amber, as you can see, they're bright, and then there's the LED. It just makes it look so much better, like so amazing. Go check them out, guys. They have the best lights you can get for fog lights, ditch lights they make, light bars, everything. Go check them out.